To connect sensors to the sensor node, mount the RHT sensors in one of the two sensor ports. Carefully turn the connector to the correct position, and then push the connector into the sensor port. Tighten the lock nut to secure the connector. Press the button and observe the indicator lights. The sensor's indicator light should flash green for each connected sensor. The gateway COM indicator light should be green to indicate that there is a connection to the network gateway. When the button is pressed, data is also sent to the gateway unit. The data COM indicator on the gateway confirms that the data transmission from the sensor node has been received. We continue to connect additional sensors. We can connect 3 sensors to one sensor node, 2 RHT sensors and 1 WME pin probe. The WME pin probe connects to a 3.5 mm connector on the top of the sensor node. Make sure the connector is pushed in all the way. We check again that the sensor indicator light is flashing green for each connected sensor. We can also check if everything is okay in the menu of the ES machine. If the GSM data signal to the mobile network is weak or interrupted, reposition the gateway unit for a better reception. As a final step, we take note of the serial number of the sensor node and also the port number and placement of the 2 RHT sensors. This will be useful information to have later when we set up the project in the Supervision user interface.